Good morning students. Today we are going to solve an example problem 3 based on the linear equations in one variable. So under the chapter linear equation in one variable, so now we are going to see which subdivision, solving an linear equations on the one side and the variables on the another side. So see here, it is a linear expression x by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So first of all you have to transpose this 5 by 2 to this RHS of the equation. So you first write the expression, linear expression as it is. So x by 3 plus 5 by 2 which is equal to minus 3 by 2. So now you first transpose. Transpose means you are just shifting this 5 by 2 rational number to this side. That is the RHS of the equation. So what you will get, x by 3 equal to, see here you already know in an equation if you are transposing an addition to the RHS of this equation means what you do. Here if it is addition means whenever go to the RHS side then the addition becomes subtraction. So this plus 5 by 2 becomes minus 5 by 2. See here you put minus 3 by 2 as it is, and here we are transposing this 5 by 2 to the RHS. So here it is addition. So whenever it goes to the RHS side it becomes subtraction. So minus 5 by 2. So now you see, first you solve this RHS side because here the denominators are same. So what you do, you simply add these two numbers. So you keep x by 3 as it is. Now you put the denominator same and you see minus 3 minus 4. So x by 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 5 by 2. See here if the signs are different means, signs are same means you simply add and put the same sign. So 3 plus 5 is 8 and the same sign is minus 8 by 2. So x by 3 is equal to, now solve this. If you divide 8 by 2 means you will get 4, and if you divide a negative sign by a positive, that means if you divide a negative integer by a positive integer means you get minus, so minus 5 by 4. Now you see here we have to find the value for this x. See here it is division, x divided by 3. Whenever it goes to this RHS side the division becomes multiplication. So x is equal to minus 4 into 3. So x is equal to, you simply multiply the numbers first. So 4 3s are 12 and put the sign. If a negative sign is multiplied by a positive sign you get a negative sign. So the value for this x is minus 12. If you have doubt means you simply put this x in here and check whether you are getting minus 3 by 2 as your answer. So now we shall check. So what is the question given? X by 3 plus 5 by 2. So what is the value that we find out for this x? Minus 12. So minus 12 by 3 plus 5 by 2. See here the denominators are different, so you have to take the LCM. So what is, both are n prime numbers, that means both are prime numbers, so you simply multiply. So the LCM is equal to 6. So minus 12 by 3 into 2. So see here 12 2s are 24. Here it is minus sign is multiplied by positive, you get minus, so minus 24 by 6. So then also take the LCM for 5 by 2. So for getting 6 as my denominator I have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. So 5 3s are 15 and 2 3s are 6. Now you see what is the operation between x by 3 and 5 by 2? It is addition, so you add minus 24 by 6 plus 15 by 6. Here you see the denominators are same, so you simply subtract. Because the signs are different means what you have to do? You have to subtract. So subtract 15 from 24. So what you will get? You will get 9 by 6 and put the greater number sign. The greater number is 24 and the sign is minus. So minus 9 by 6. See here. This is also comes under third table and 6 also comes under third table. So you simply cancel it. So if you cancel means you will get how much? 3, because 3 3s are 9. Here if you cancel 6 by 3 times means 2 you will get, because 3 2s are 6. So minus 3 by 2. So I am getting the answer as minus 3 by 2 whenever I put x value as minus 12. So what is the solution I am getting here? X by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. The same answer is also getting when I put x value as minus 12. So your find out value, the answer in x kandupidicha value is correct. So x is equal to minus 12 is the value for this variable x. So see, to check இது வந்துட்டு rough column தான் போடணும் because you already find the value for this x. You are just doing whether your find out value is right or wrong. So to the checking operations எல்லாமே எதுல வச்சிருக்கீங்க அப்படினா rough work side. So do it in your rough work side. Don't do this in the fair work side. So now again we are going to solve another example problem. See, 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to this 9. So here you have to find the value for this x. So first you shift this 15 by 4 to this right hand side of this equation, because here the first topic under linear equation in one variable is we are going to solve expressions on the one side and this numbers on the other side. So first convert to this given equation to that format. See, what is the question given? 14 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. So shift 15 by 4 to the RHS, that means right hand side of this equation. That means you are just transposing. So you keep minus 7x as it is 9. See, here it is addition. Whenever it transposes to this RHS, this addition becomes subtraction. So 15 by 4 plus 15 by 4 becomes minus 15 by 4. Now you first solve the RHS side and then come to the LHS part. See, here you have to take the LCM. Here there is no denominator, so you have to consider it as 1. Because 9 by 1 is 9, so the LCM is 4. So multiply this 9 by this 4. So 9 by 1 into 4 by 4 minus 15 by 4. See here, minus 7x is equal to, see, 9 4s are how much? 36 by 4 minus 15 by 4. Now we have equalized the denominator. So you simply subtract the numerators. So see here, minus 7x is equal to, so when you subtract how much you will get? You will get 121 by 4. And put the, here the signs are different, so you simply subtract and put the greater number sign. Here the greater number is 36 and the sign is plus, so there is no need to put positive sign. So simply your answer is 21 by 4. Now you have to find the value for x. See here, 7 is multiplied with x, that means 7 into x. So here it is multiplication. Whenever it goes to this RHS, this multiplication becomes division. Because why we are transposing here is, here we are going to find the value for x. So there is no coefficients வந்துட்டு எதுமே இருக்க கூடாது. Then only you will find this value for this x. So you simply transpose this 7 to that side and you put and you keep the sign as it is. So keep minus x as it is. You just transpose the 7 to here. So 21 by 4. See, here it is multiplication. Whenever goes to here, it will becomes division into 1 by 7. So how means, you see here it is 7 by 1 இருக்கும், because 7 by 1 is nothing but 7. So 7 வந்து நம்ம என்ன கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கிறோம்னா 7 by 1. So see, 7 by 1 இருக்கிறது here, if it is go to the RHS of the equation, it gets reciprocal. அப்போ reciprocal எடுக்கும் பொழுது 7 by 1 அப்படிங்கிறது 1 by 7 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு வந்துடும். So see here, now you find the value for this x. See, 21 by 4 into 1 by 7. See here, 7, when you multiply 7 with 3, you will get 21. So here it is 3 times. So now minus x is equal to 1 3s are 3. Here it is also 1 4s are 4. So now the x value is 3 by 4. Now you shift this minus to that side. So now the value for this x is equal to minus 3 by 4. So this is the value for this x. So now we have find out the value for this x. Now the next thing is, you have to check whether this x value is right or not. So this you do it in your rough work. Shall we check what is the given equation? 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to we have to get 9. So shall we check whether we are getting 9 or not. So 15 by 4 minus 7 into, what is the x value we have find out? Minus 3 by 4. So now you keep 15 by 4 as it is. So here you see minus. So minus into minus is how much? Plus. So plus, now you multiply these two numbers. 7 3s are 21. 21 by 4. Here the denominators are same. So you simply add the numerators. If you add means how much you will get? 36 by 4. So see here. If you multiply 9 with 4 with 9, you will get 36. So here it is 1 times and here it is 9 times. So I am getting 9 as my answer. So here it is also in the given question we are getting 9. Here கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இதுல என்ன question என்ன கொடுத்துருவாங்க அப்படினா இத சால்வ் பண்ணும்போது 9 வந்துச்சு. So our exact value for x is how much? Minus 3 by 4. அப்போ this is our answer and this is right. So அது வந்துட்டு for checking purpose தான். என்ன values வேணாலும் வந்திருக்கலாம். Suppose வந்துட்டு தப்பாவும் இருக்கலாம் கரெக்டாகவும் இருக்கலாம். செக் பண்ணுறதுக்காக நம்ம இதில் போட்டு எக்ஸுக்கு பதிலாக நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்ச வேல்யூ சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணி சால்வ் பண்ணி பார்த்தோம்னா நம்ம கொஷினில் கொடுத்துருக்க RHSே வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா then you will find out value for this x is right. So based on this some homework problems are given. If you have any doubt you may ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you.